Thanks for joining me today. Andy here. I thought today was so nice that I couldn't stay inside. I had to get outside and do a little hiking today. So I brought you along. We're going to do a little hiking here in Indianapolis. It's on the north side of the city. We're here along the river, and it's a nice little wooded area where you can do a little hiking. It's not a very big park, but it does allow you to go back into the woods a little bit and enjoy a little bit of wildlife and whatnot, and just enjoy yourself. Get out of kind of all the city views. So stay with us. So one of the nice things about this park is some of the nature center activities that they do year-round. One of them that is when they'll tap the sugar maples here in the park and teach the kids about how to make good old-fashioned maple syrup. So one of the trees here behind me is one that they typically use because it's a big mature sugar maple. And they'll bring all the gear out and tap it and collect gallons of the sap, boil it down to about 1/10 the volume, so it's very sweet. And one thing that's neat is they will typically have different containers that they'll have from different portions of the season. So mid-February, late February, March, and so on, so the kids can taste how throughout the season it tends to get a little less sweet. So it's just an interesting thing to come here on a weekend and see that, learn a little bit about what they do and how they do it. Thanks for joining me today on our little hike through the woods here. In the coming days and weeks, I will have some more gear to talk about, some upcoming trips that I'll be doing as well. The big trip this coming summer, which will be Boundary Waters. We're doing a 7-day, 6-night trip. We'll take you along and document everything so you can travel along with us. So thanks for joining us. Please like, subscribe, support the channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much.